Looking to transform your tiny patio into a cozy outdoor retreat? In this video, we're diving into the best patio sets for small spaces that blend comfort, style, and smart design. We upload quality videos daily to help you find the perfect products for your home. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. Devoco Wicker Patio Conversation Set. If you have a small patio, you might shy away from large patio chairs with armrests and high backs, but this small space-friendly and tester-approved set from Devoco proves that you can have it all. The set comes with 2 wicker chairs with a durable steel frame and a glass-top table to place a couple of drinks or a potted plant. The glass top also adds extra stability, rather than trying to balance cups on the woven wicker. We found these chairs extremely comfortable for everyone using them, with an impressive weight limit of 330 pounds. The weather-resistant wicker can easily withstand rainstorms, showing no signs of damage after months of testing in the Pacific Northwest. Though, a heads up that water can pool under the glass top table, so we recommend removing the glass top during extremely severe rain. Number 2. Grand Patio Outdoor Folding Bistro Set. Bistro sets, like this one from Grand Patio, are a winning combination of cute and useful. They don't take up too much space, and many, like this one, can fold up. They also allow owners of small patios to still spend time outside without having to stand or resort to foldable camping chairs. While lightweight, the table and chairs in this set felt extremely sturdy during testing and did not budge during intense wind and rain. The powder-coated steel frame ensures the set won't rust over time, even after months exposed to the elements. It's also extremely easy to clean with a damp cloth when covered with pollen or debris. Chairs with metal slats aren't always the most comfortable, but you can always add an outdoor cushion for a plush place to sit. Though they are foldable, each chair has a 330-pound weight capacity. The table felt taller than other bistro sets we tested, making it perfect for outdoor dining. Number 3. Flash Furniture Outdoor Patio Dining Set. We haven't had a chance to test this particular set yet, but we absolutely see the value in a stackable patio set like this one. Many standard outdoor dining tables are too large for small patios, but this aluminum set from Flash Furniture gives a classic look without taking up too much permanent space. Card games and meals shared with friends can successfully take place thanks to the fairly spacious tempered glass surface that provides more room than an accent or side table. The lightweight chairs feature a slatted style to keep you cool and comfortable, while the cross braces also add extra stability to accommodate an impressive 352 pounds. Another plus is that the chairs stack for easy, space-saving storage during the off-season. While the chairs come fully assembled, it can be a bit difficult to assemble the table correctly, but it's worth the extra energy for a stable and stylish patio set. Number 4. Christopher Knight Home Carolina Outdoor Sofa Set. Looking for an outdoor sofa set that can endure tough weather conditions? Check out the Christopher Knight Home Carolina Outdoor Acacia Sofa Set. We tested this set for 6 months in Birmingham, Alabama, and found it held up remarkably well against the bright sun, excessive heat, and heavy rain with moderate wind. This set includes 2 chairs, a bench, and a spacious table, all crafted from top-notch eucalyptus wood. The wood is incredibly durable and can withstand rain, dew, and other harsh elements. It's worth noting that the manufacturer warns that the wood may fade over time and develop a patina, which naturally occurs with all wooden furniture. After months of testing, we did see this occur after exposure to sunlight. Number 5. Grand Patio Outdoor Folding Bistro Set. At 48 pounds total, this folding bistro set from Grand Patio is lightweight enough to move around your space, but heavy enough to not budge during strong storms. The table and chairs also felt surprisingly big and sturdy for a foldable set and make a great spot for eating dinner or having coffee. We even used it at a wedding with a tablecloth over the top. The powder-coated steel set is extremely weather-resistant, and we had no issues with its durability during intense rainstorms. It also won't rust when exposed to water over time. While metal can get hot in the sun, we didn't experience that with this set, even after months of leaving the patio furniture outdoors in the summer heat. Plus, the set withstood heavy rain, winds, and sun without any chipping, damage, or discoloration. Due to its location on our patio, it often gets covered in pollen, but the material is incredibly easy to wipe down, leaving it looking brand new.